Hello, dear students. I am Professor Ashish, head of the Civil Engineering Department, Wag Polytechnic, Nashik. Welcome to the subject Fundamentals of Solid Waste Management. Solid waste management is the process of collecting, transporting, treating, recycling, and disposing of waste in a safe and environmentally friendly manner. With increasing population and urbanization, proper waste management has become essential to protect public health, maintain cleanliness, and conserve natural resources. In this course, we will learn about the sources, types, collection, transportation, treatment, and disposal methods of solid waste, along with modern waste management practices. Let us begin our study of solid waste management and understand its importance in creating a clean and sustainable environment. In this course, we will learn to identify different sources of solid waste and understand suitable methods for its collection and transportation. We will also study the disposal of municipal solid waste, biomedical waste, industrial waste, and e-waste. Further, we will learn about the rules and regulations related to solid waste management. By achieving these course outcomes, you will be able to apply waste management principles effectively in real-life situations. This chapter covers the fundamentals of solid waste management. We will study the definition of solid waste, types and sources of waste, classification of waste, physical and chemical characteristics, environmental impacts, waste management hierarchy, waste reduction techniques, and factors affecting waste generation. These topics provide the foundation for understanding effective solid waste management practices. Definition of solid waste. Solid waste refers to unwanted or discarded solid materials generated from residential, commercial, industrial, and other human activities. Examples include paper, plastics, food waste, bottles, furniture, and packaging materials. Improper disposal of solid waste can cause environmental pollution and health hazards, making proper waste management essential. Different wastes, domestic and commercial waste. Domestic waste is generated from households and includes food scraps, paper, plastics, and bottles. Some household waste may also be hazardous, such as batteries and cleaning chemicals. Commercial waste is produced from shops, offices, educational institutions, and entertainment facilities. It mainly includes paper, packaging materials, food waste, and other business-related waste. Industrial waste and agricultural waste. Industrial waste is generated from manufacturing industries, factories, mining operations, and processing plants. It may include chemicals, metals, plastics, sludge, and solvents. Agricultural waste is produced from farming activities and includes crop residues, manure, fertilizer containers, pesticide residues, and waste from poultry farms and slaughterhouses. Biomedical waste and e-waste. Biomedical waste is generated during the diagnosis, treatment, and research activities related to humans and animals. Examples include syringes, bandages, medicines, and laboratory waste. E-waste refers to discarded electronic equipment such as computers, mobile phones, televisions, and electronic circuits. Proper handling of e-waste is necessary to prevent environmental contamination. Hazardous waste and institutional waste. Hazardous waste contains substances that are harmful to human health and the environment. Such waste may be toxic, corrosive, flammable, or reactive. Institutional waste is generated from schools, colleges, hospitals, prisons, and other institutions. It mainly consists of paper, food waste, and other daily use materials. Thank you, students, for your attention. In this chapter, we learned the fundamentals of solid waste management, including the definition, different types of waste. The remaining topics of this chapter will be covered in the next lecture, where we will discuss them in greater detail. Thank you, and see you in the next session.